Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all charging methods for your earbuds SOUNDCORE A25i. And the first one is to use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power. And at the back side of the charging case we have USB-C port. So connect USB-C cable right at this port. And in the front side we can see that this LED light is blinking, so it means that your earbuds is charging. Next, we can use a phone to charge our earbuds, and all you need to have is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second USB-C cable at the back side of the charging case. And again we have this LED light, so it also works. And also we can use your PC or another device what offer USB-A port. And all you need to have is just USB-A to USB-C cable. And I'm going to use my PC to charge these earbuds. Connect USB-A cable to your device and USB-C cable to your charging case. And again we have this LED light. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.